For those of us making use of Grok for their image and picture generation, you will notice that recently Grok's free version stopped working, and Grok has been saving a lot of lives. Most of the people into YouTube automation and AI content usually use Grok for their research, image generation, and video generation. As a matter of fact, Grok is one of the best AI tools so far. Now, their free version stopped working. I don't know the reason why Elon Musk did that, but currently is no longer active. But on this particular video, I am going to show you how to restore your own back. Let me show you, because as I speak to you now, my own is working and working perfectly. So follow me to the end of this video. Let me show you how to do it. Now, let me open my Grok. This is my Grok. So I will just start by generating an image. If you're a newbie and you don't know how to use Grok at all, drop it on the comment section so that I will do a comprehensive video teaching you how to use Grok from beginning to end. Now, if you want to restore back your subscription, let me show you what to do. First of all, this is Imagine. I will put it at Imagine. Then I go to my gallery. I select this picture. Let me say something like "Make me sing." Is generating. Let us see.
Gonna sing my ha ha out today. Feel them, let it take me away. Woo! Oh yeah, I'm gonna sing my ha ha out today. Feel them, let it take me away. Woo!
Grok has delivered a very nice video showing me where I am singing, so mine is perfectly working. If you want to restore the free version of your Grok, here is exactly what you are going to do. If your Grok is not working and you want to start making use of it and start generating your images and pictures, now look at the steps to follow. Now, first of all, this is my Grok. Let me show you something first. So I will try creating a video using an image in my gallery. So I select this image, you click on it and try creating a video. You will see it's not working. So this is how Grok is right now. They will tell you you've reached your limits, that you should increase the upgrade. When you click on the upgrade, now this is how much Grok is charging. This is 48,000 naira monthly, close to 30 something dollars. So I will show you how to unlock those pro features and start using your Grok normally, almost free. Now open a X account, formerly known as Twitter. Now when you download an S, you open it, you click on create account or you log in. Me, I already have an account, so I enter my email and the password. Then I log into my S account. But if you don't have X, you can create new one. So this is my S account. You go to profile, you click on premium. This is my account. I just have one follower there, then you click on premium. If you click on premium, you will see the basic X premium package is 3,000 naira, which is about $2. Then if you go to premium, you will see the features the premium will give you. This is about 3,800 and is about $2.9 or thereabout. Now they will give you verification tick, enhanced Grok access. This is basically what we are looking for, and unlock higher usage limits. So for this monthly package, you are going to pay 3,800 naira monthly. That is almost $2 point something or thereabout. So this is better than paying almost $30. So you go through Twitter. I've been debited $2.9. This is very fast and reliable. Now they have given me verified Twitter blue tick. So when you click here, you can see you can access Grok from Twitter directly, or you can download and get the app. So this is my profile. I've been verified on Twitter just with one follower. So it's actually easy to do. Somebody might say the $2 is too much, but it's not, considering the content you are creating, because content creation is like investment. So if you invest $2 monthly in your business to make more money in future, is not too much. So you can just do it. I downloaded the app and click on Grok. Instead of you to log in with Gmail, you log in with your X. Okay, so let me try generating images again. So remember, if you want to generate pictures, or you want to generate video from a photo, you are going to click imagine. That is what you will click. So let me see how it goes. I will write something like make me sing. All right, generate. Let's see.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna sing my ha ha out today. Feel them, let it take me away. Woo! Oh yeah, I'm gonna sing my ha ha out today. Feel them, let it take me away.
Wow, wow,
Woo!
wow, wow, wow. As you can see, my Grok is actually working. Let me generate it again.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm excited to share something new with you. Feeling good, yeah, everything's around. Now I let out things to keep set my spirit free. Yeah.
Wow. I actually love this. So try it out as low as $2 and with a Twitter verification, then you can access your Grok. So does this person look like me? Tell me on the comments. So that is exactly how to do it. I know for sure that the free version will not last for long. Instead of you to actually pay the amount they charge for monthly subscription, you can use your Twitter. Maybe Elon Musk, the owner of Grok, want to use this to drive audience to Twitter, because many people actually fell in love with Grok and they can't stop using Grok. And as a matter of fact, I have tried other AI tools and that's right there video generation. I still love Grok. Grok is spectacular. Like, I love the way their videos appear. It is very clean and neat, and it is the fastest when it comes to video generation. So I think that is why most people still want to use Grok. But the good thing here is you can create the account, verify it, then use your account to sign in and start making use of it. And you can sign in a multiple device, not just one. Let's say you are making use of your desktop and your mobile phone. You can sign in your mobile phone and equally sign in on your desktop. As I'm speaking to you right now, my S account is currently logged in 3 different devices that I'm using for my work. So anybody that is into AI or video generation and maybe you don't want to use other AI tools, you still want to make use of Grok, do well to try it out. You will just pay a little, get Twitter verification, and start making use of your Grok. I have a Twitter account, but I don't even make use of it. The actual reason that brought me to making use of the account is because of Grok. And now I'm even verified. So if you're watching this video, please, you can just go and follow me because I'll be dropping some insights on my Twitter account. Now, if you're watching this video and this is your first time of seeing me, my name is Jazzy and I am a creator for the creators. This channel is where I share updates about AI tools and the content creation growth. But if you want to grow specifically your YouTube channel, then subscribe to my channel Jazzy Studios. That is where I talk about YouTube. If you learn how to create content here, then you go to Jazzy Studios and learn how to grow your YouTube channel. Basically, that is what I do. I help you to grow your YouTube channel and help you to upscale your content creation skill. If this interests you, kindly subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, and I'm going to see you on my next video.